Again, we're here at Collision Conference 2023. I got Taylor Del Giudice here from Quack. And yeah, he's a partner of Boast. He's at the FounderFuel 2023 cohort. They're doing amazing things over here. Taylor, tell me about yourself. How'd you found Quack?
Yeah, so we're a company based out of Calgary. I co-founded Quack with Jake DiCarlo and Vinay, who's our CTO and COO. And yeah, we just started the company at the beginning of this year, so it's been a lot of fast-moving parts since we first started. And yeah, we're part of FounderFuel with only a few months into building the company. We got into FounderFuel, and then we came across Boast AI, and yeah, we're excited to be partnered up.
That's awesome. Yeah, we love FounderFuel. We love accelerators like FounderFuel because of the companies like you guys that it gives us exposure to. Yeah. We're very much a founder-driven company ourselves. Yeah. Almost everyone on our team found their own business at some point, so that's why we're excited to work with you guys. Can you tell me a little bit about your R&D and what goes into the product?
Yeah, so Vinay, our CTO, is doing basically R&D every day when it comes to making sure that the product is built specifically for SDRs, making sure we're adding actual features to the product that actually has to do with them. So we're very customer-driven in that sense. And when it comes to when we're reaching out to prospects or we're having new companies come on, even like Boast AI, we're listening to them and seeing what they need as a company and as SDR teams. And so we're just making sure that we're listening to them and adding those features onto the product.
That's awesome. And that's how you kind of find that unique innovation that actually makes it a shred qualifiable activity. So I love it. Yeah. All right, now big question. Favorite part of Collision so far? I know it's only really day one, but
I would say we've had people, so we're in the alpha program, and honestly, we probably had more people just come up and say that they like our logo and our name than actually ask us the product. So it's a lot of fun in that, getting some validation on our little duck logo. It's been a lot of fun. So
no, that's so cool. It caught my eye while I was walking around. I'm like, I know that name. Yeah. I also know our SDRs are into it. So it's very cool. Taylor, awesome. This is awesome. Thank you so much.